Well, my full name reads N Subramanian. I have many ambitions, but only two need concern us here. One thing I would like to do very much is to go through this country. Take a little bit of money and a pad and paper, a tape recorder and a camera, and I'd like to go to through this country. Walking at a very leisurely pace. Seeing all kinds of people, different races and different cultures, and capture them in their different moods, their songs and their dances, the cacophony of their multifarious tongues. I like to get their agony, the anguish and the anger. So that one day when I could come back, I could open the book and remind myself of what I'm part of and what is part of me.